Hey guys, good morning. I hope you all are doing amazing. It is, what is the date today? I don't even know. It's like Wednesday the 17th, it must be, because it's 2 days after the tax season deadlines. Thank God I am through filing extensions and stuff. Like the whole deadline rush has all passed. So what I've been doing the past couple of days is just playing like catch up and running some errands and stuff like that. And today I got a bunch of things I need to do. Today, tomorrow, actually the rest of this week is really busy for me. But I thought I would do a little bit of vlogging for you today. I'm actually heading over to a park near my house because I need to like do a test of this drone that I've had. I've had this drone for like ever, and I really haven't had an opportunity. Of course, it's been wintertime, and you know, it's not like you're gonna be outside for long periods of time using a drone. And so this drone has a video camera on it, and so I'm gonna test it out. I want to see, it's supposed to have like a follow you feature. It automatically comes back to you when it's, you know, like running low on battery and all that kind of fun stuff. So the first thing I wanted to do, it's a nice day today, it's like 55 degrees. I just want to run over to this park and spend a few minutes. I didn't want to do it near my house because we have like so many trees and stuff and like electric wires, and I'm afraid I'm gonna crash it. Like I don't, you know, it was a decent amount of money for this drone, and I don't want to like wreck it the first time I'm like testing it out. I actually got it I think it was the end of the summer, and I believe it was in one of my vlogs. I'll see if I can insert the footage here, but when Ashley came out to visit and we were in, I believe it was Boston, I tried to like get it set up and stuff like that inside of the hotel room that we were in, and it didn't work because I wasn't following the directions, number one, and number two, it was inside, so we really couldn't like calibrate it, you know, for GPS, etc. So I really want to use it a lot more this summer when, you know, because I thought it would help with like my vlogs, you know, if I'm going any place that has some really nice scenery and stuff like that. I know it's a lot nicer to be able to get a higher view of where I'm at, etc. So we're gonna do this. I'm just pulling into I hope there's not a lot of people here because oh, there's a frickin', are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? There's like 2 buses here. Like, what are these buses of people doing here? Oh, I think it's like the retirement home people. Or maybe they're just parked. Maybe they're just parked to, yeah, I think they're just parked there. I don't think there's actually people here. So we're gonna pull in here and get out the drone and test it out. Okay, so what I figured out, drones are kind of hard to fly. I haven't quite, here's the thing. When it comes to drones, and I guess I'll give you a little, here's another one of these like retirement home buses. This must be where they hang out or something. When it comes to flying drones, you have to really be comfortable with the controls first before you go outside and actually use it, because the sun is so bright that it's hard to see the lights on the drone, it's hard to see the controls, you know what I mean? And so I'm literally just sitting there playing with the drone saying, okay, does this make it go up? Yep, that makes it go up. I couldn't figure out how to make it like come back towards me, like going forward or going backward. I just know how to go up and how to go angles So I have to kind of figure that out. And I know you can click on the follow me so that it would actually like follow you. I didn't know where the follow me feature was because of the fact that it was so bright out. But at least that was like kind of like test one, you know what I mean? That I at least got it accomplished. I got it set up, I got it calibrated. Really, really easy to set up. Now what's up next? Okay, so next on my agenda is I need to pick up a few things, and I'm trying to decide what stores to go to. I need to get some finishing spray for my face. I ran out of that. I was using the Smashbox spray. So I can't decide if I just want to go to Target and just get like a drugstore brand, or if I want to run down to Ulta. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll run down to the mall, see if it's not too busy, and check out Ulta, pick up that, because I have to get a couple other things too. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna take a buzz down to Ulta. I haven't been there in eons, and I do need primer spray, and a lot of times they'll have like, you know, specials and deals and stuff like that, so who knows what I'll end up finding there. Then I need to pick up some groceries. I do need to hit the Dollar Tree at some point in time today, and hopefully I will be recording a Dollar Tree haul, or maybe like a shop with me video. But yeah, so I'm gonna pop off here for now, and I will check back with you guys when I get to the mall. It's for the YouTube. Gone. It's gone. There's nothing there.
But that one's bomb because you can just continue it, like literally. You see how I can spray it and you don't have to keep pumping it over and over again.
Okay, so I just got out of Ulta. I don't know if you can see them behind me, but these ladies that were in a booth selling hair straighteners totally trashed my hair. Like, look how ridiculous my hair looks now. She tried to straighten it with a steam straightener. Did not sell me on it at all. Anyways, I got what I needed at Ulta, and now we're gonna head probably to, I need a coffee. I need to get an iced coffee and then to Dollar Tree.
Do you want to dance?
Oh, okay. Whew. I am back. Oh my God. So I don't know if I finished telling you the story, but these ladies were, you know, had like a booth in the middle of the mall right in front of Ulta, and they were like, oh, do you straighten your hair? And I'm like, yeah. So she had me sit down and she tried using her straightener on me, which she wasn't doing it right. The other lady came up and had to like fix it for her. Then she put this product in my hair, like it was just like an oil, but she put like too much of it on. So now this side of my hair is kind of flat, but I guess it's gonna have to do. So after all is said and done, she goes, I'm gonna throw in this, I'm gonna throw in that, you know. I felt like I was at the state fair, you know, and then, you know, you don't have 12 payments of $97, it's only 4 payments. And so basically she was trying to say that the flat iron was $250, the shampoo and conditioner would have been $50, the hair oil was another $25, I don't know. Basically she goes, you can have it all for $100. If it's that good, why are you discounting it that much is what I want to know. Right? As you saw, I stopped into Sephora, didn't buy anything there. I was just kind of like scanning around quick. They did have a lot of discount stuff. Nothing that I really needed. I honestly, guys, I do not need any more makeup. Like, I am very proud of myself for not buying anything that like I did not need. I did need finishing spray, and that's what I bought at Ulta. I ended up getting the Morphe finishing spray. It was like $16. And there's ambulances going around. Now I want to stop and get an iced coffee because I'm kind of in the mood for an iced coffee. I'm starting to feel a little hungry, and I'm just not sure what I'm gonna do for lunch today, but I think a coffee will tide me over until I get a chance to go to Dollar Tree and go to Aldi and take care of that stuff, and then maybe I'll eat when I get back home. I will check back with you guys soon.
Thank you for choosing Cicero. Dr. Devane speaking. How may I help you?
Yes, can I get a large French vanilla iced coffee with almond milk and 2 Splenda, please?
Will I complete your order?
Yes, it will.
3782.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so I just finished with my, I gotta do my thumbnail. Okay, so I will vlog how I do my thumbnails. So what I usually do is I try to come up with something that could potentially be a nice color for the thumbnail, right? So I'm thinking something like this, something like this. Let's see, I don't know. I got, there. Didn't really get that much this week. So then I just go like this and smile. How awkward is that? Then what I usually do is I can just grab a image inside of my iMovie of the actual image that I just took, whatever is the best one. I'm just over being out, so I really don't want to go to Aldi's. But I need to get some food somewhere. What I've done good at is I've done good at not eating anything bad. You'll notice in my Dollar Tree haul, if you go check it over on the main channel, you will notice that I didn't buy any food. So spoiler alert, if you're looking for Dollar Tree food, you won't see anything in that haul over on my main channel. Yeah, I'm not gonna go to Aldi's right now. I think what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna go to Wegmans and pick up a nice chef salad. That was really good. I had a chef salad yesterday with ranch dressing, and it was really, really good. They make a really good chef salad with a lot of lettuce, red cabbage, carrots, egg, turkey, ham, cucumbers. Oh. And then I get one of those ranch dressings, those Ken's ranch dressings that come with it. So I think I might get that. And I need to get like eggs and stuff. So maybe I'll just run to Wegmans and pick up those couple of quick things and then get my butt home. so I'm back home now, and I think I'm gonna try this Global Beauty Care Exfoliating Foot Mask that I picked up at the Dollar Tree this week. So let me just open up this bad boy and see what's inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open them up. They're like filled with some type of solution, and you have to like cut them open. So I'm literally gonna cut them open, put them on my feet, and it says to wait in either 60 minutes to an hour, then remove thoroughly, wash and dry feet. Dead skin, cracked heels, calluses will simply peel away in about 4 to 7 days after use. Do not use more than once a month. So we're gonna give this a shot, and I will let you know what I think. So this is kind of what they look like. I don't recommend walking in them, but I'm going to carefully shuffle my way to my couch area so that I can enjoy watching some YouTube videos and have my salad and see how this works. Duders is on a mission. Aren't you, Duders? So I'm just out taking him for a quick little walk. He has to stop at every single like post in the neighborhood. All the dogs do it. It's funny. It's hysterical. Everybody that walks the dogs, it's almost like email. It's like doggy email. Hey guys, listen, I thought I would pop on here quick. I'm gonna put you up in my cupboard. While I was editing my vlog video, I realized that I never clued you guys in on the rest of the what I thought of the foot mask that I did. So I did it for about an hour and 15 minutes. Took it off, rinsed it off, just soaked my feet in like a tub of hot water and just, you know, rinsed it off, dried it off really good. Initially it felt that they really put a lot of moisture into my feet. But now, like, I'm feeling them now. This is like 3 or 4 hours later, and they just kind of feel like normal feet. Like, I really could probably put more lotion on them. However, nothing was like peeling off or anything, and I know the direction said it could take like 4 to 7 days, and skin's gonna start peeling off. So I have no clue what the ingredients are that has it not start peeling skin and stuff for delayed for like, I have to wait exactly 4 days for it to start working. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. So I'm going to have to follow up with you that maybe on a future vlog. I'll try to put up a vlog sometime next week, and I'll incorporate a follow-up, like, is my feet peeling or whatever. I promise I won't show anything on video. I will just trust me when I tell you. I will let you know what's going on. Anyways, I'm going to end this video today. I'm making myself a tea, and I am going to finish editing this video, get it uploaded, do all that kind of fun stuff that I have to do so that you guys could be watching this in the morning. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm going to chat with you in my next vlog. Bye, guys.